Scholars, now that you have solved the problem and figured out Mateo's total seconds for both laps, let's work it out together. So let's just check your work and see how you did. So if you use the place value table that was on your draw it, you should have started all the way to the right at the thousandths place. And now you're going to add from right to left. So 8 plus 3, is 11. So if you remember this arithmetic, just old school adding numbers together, you know that if it's larger than 10, you have to carry 1 to the next place. Now we're in the hundredths place. So now we're going to add 3 plus 1, 4. Then 4 plus 9 is 13. So then again, we write our 3. Excuse my chicken scratch. I know you hear that a lot. And then we're going to carry the 1. Okay, so a lot of carrying over in this problem. So now let's add together the tenths column. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. No carryover this time. Okay, now we're going to skip over to the ones place because now we're adding from right to left, like I said. So 4 plus 5 is 9. No carryover, yay. And finally, 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, so now the final thing we have to do is make sure we drop down that decimal point because 49,531 is not the right place value. When you have a decimal, you have to make sure you bring down that decimal so that our seconds or whatever our units are represented correctly. So your answer should have been 49 and, whenever there's a decimal, you say and 531 thousandths. So whatever the last number in your place value is, that's how you read the number. So one more time. I'm going to say it first and then you repeat after me. 49 and 531 thousandths. Your turn. Excellent.